Hello, you're welcome. In today's math tutorial, we have a 3 by 3 matrix whose determinant is 42. So we have to find the values of k, and to find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix, there are a few things to note. First is that the matrix will be decomposed into 2 by 2 matrices, 3 of them, using any of the rows as the lead or any of the columns. But in this case, we shall be using the first row. Another thing that is important is the sign convention. So the first entry takes a plus, the next on the first row is a negative, while this is a plus. So if you continue downwards, this is a minus, a plus, a minus, this is a plus, a minus, and a plus. So as said earlier on, we shall be using the first row. In using the first row, the leading term there is k, then a 2 by 2 matrix that goes with that will be the one obtained by blocking the row of k and its column, so that we are left with 2k plus 2, 1, k plus 3, and 0. Minus the second term is 0. When we block each row and column, we'll be left with negative 4, 1, 1, and 0. We equally have negative 3. That's a plus, minus 3, with blocking its row and its column gives negative 4, 2k plus 2, and 1k plus 3. This is equated to 42. The next thing is to find the determinant of the corresponding 2 by 2 matrices, where we have for the first one k times the product of the leading diagonal, which is 0 times 2k plus 2, minus the product of the other diagonal, which is 1 times k plus 3. The second one, without wasting time, we know will become 0 since we are multiplying by 0. So we are minus 0, and the third is going to be a negative 3 multiplying the lead diagonal, negative 4 times k plus 3, minus the product of the other diagonal, 1 times 2k plus 2. And everything is equal to 42. So from the first bracket, we have k times 0 multiplying 2k plus 2 gives 0. So we're left with minus 1 times k plus 3, which is minus k minus 3. With minus 3 times what we've got in the bracket, minus 4 times k plus 3, there is minus 4k minus 12, with minus 1 times 2k plus 2 being minus 2k minus 2, and that gives 42. Simplifying further gives k multiplying minus k minus 3, with minus 3 multiplying minus 6k minus 14, and that's equal to 42. This then gives minus k squared minus 3k, and the second being plus 18k plus 42, and that's equal to 42. 42, we take out 42 to leave us with minus k squared plus 15k equals to 0. Then we multiply both sides by -1 to give k squared minus 15k equals to 0, a quadratic equation where we factor k to give k times k minus 15 equals to 0. By the zero product property, it's either k is 0 or k minus 15 is 0, such that the values of k for which the determinant is 42 will be k is 0 or k is 15. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more math tutorials. Then click on the notification bell so that you can be updated from time to time as our tutorials are released. Give us a like and help us to share the tutorial. Thank you.